Incwadi ya-Amos chapter number 4 iyasifundisa ukuthi God can create scenarios just for us to return to him. Even today, the same God still does the same thing. He can plague you and create situations that are so difficult kangangokuthi usiza ulithola indawo but luba kuyena kuphela. Uyabathethisa lana uIsrael uthi, you guys have caused a lack of bread from all cities, yet you have not returned to me. Athi, I've withheld rain from you for days kunganethi, yet you have not returned to me. Athi, the locusts devoured your plants, your olives, your whatnots, the trees and all of that, yet you have not returned to me. Athi, I've sent a plague of your men to be destroyed. It's just like I did in Sodom and Gomorrah, yet you have not returned to me. So which means, why is this returning to him so essential for him? It's because that he knows ukuthi once you go back to his arms, that's the safest place to be in. Return to God. The world is dangerous. It is dangerous to be without God. Return to God. At least as it is in Shaya, position yakho yazi. Yabona, I've realized lately ukuthi nana yazi, if we forget who we are and if we move from our position, it's easy for us to derail, and so it is important to maintain our position. Kuba ukuthi ngimile enkosini usho njengoJobe, ube stubborn njengoJobe, athi though he may slay me, yet I will trust him. So which means this person is not intending to move. He's not intending to find an alternative plan ezosebenza better and timelessly. No, he's maintaining his position. Oh, he may slay me, yet I will trust him. Return to God. Lithi iBhayibheli, return to God and you shall be established. Return to God. You cannot have it figured out. Return to God.